Hello everyone, welcome back to Amura's Kitchen. Today I am showing you how I make carrot cake with Easter theme decoration. This is easy, tasty and very moist cake, and the decoration that I am going to do today doesn't need any frosting skills. For this cake we need 3 to 4 carrots, all-purpose flour or maida, 3 eggs, vegetable or canola oil, brown sugar, white granulated sugar, chopped dry roasted walnuts, black raisins, baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon and ground allspice. All the ingredients must be at room temperature. Here is the detailed ingredient list. Let's get started by first grating those carrots. We need 2 cups of grated carrots for this recipe. Next, take a mixing bowl, add all the wet ingredients one by one and mix them with electric mixer or manually with hand whisk. Now take all the dry ingredients into a plate and sift them directly into the wet ingredients and mix them. Use silicone spatula to scrape down the flour that is sticking to the bowl. I kept some flour aside so that I can coat the nuts and raisins. Now add the flour coated nuts and raisins to the batter, mix them with the spatula. Finally add the grated carrots and fold the batter with the spatula. Now the cake batter is ready to put into the cake pan. Here I am preparing parchment paper to line the cake pan. Applying oil to the pan helps the parchment paper stick to it easily. Now transfer the batter into the cake pan and tap it few times so that the batter settles down evenly without any bubbles. After the cake is baked, let it cool down on a rack. Once it cools down completely, keep it in the fridge for few hours or overnight. After few hours, you can frost and decorate the cake. Here I am showing a simple buttercream frosting recipe and how to decorate it with Easter theme. Our cake turned out beautiful, very moist and tasty. My kids helped me while I was making and decorating this cake. Decorating this cake can be a fun project for your kids too. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching Amra's Kitchen. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos.